All right, everyone, I'm 351 and 44 cents up today. So this is going to be a video of a long series. So I thought maybe I could reset my account and start small, starting from October. Anyway, I forgot to do like 5 videos so far. So I thought maybe I could start from sixth one. So here I am today with $351.44 up and totaling 634 and 13 cents for the month of October. So I will be doing daily recap for every day starting from today. Even if I'm having a green day or if I'm having a red day, I will be doing a recap and I can share you guys where I buy the stocks and where I sold the stocks. So for trading, I actually use the Fidelity app, but for the graph and all the other information, I use the Webull app. So when I'm reviewing all the time of the trades, I will be using the Webull app, so it will be way more, neat and nicer when I'm showing stuff. So about this app, this is something that I created. I will be creating a separate video for this app because I was looking at some sort of a free stock journal where I can keep the records of everything, like how much I make on each day or how much I lost in each day. But I couldn't find a lot of good. There are some free things available on the internet, but uh, there are kind of like a lot of limitations in those platforms. And of course, the other ones you have to pay like a monthly fee or an annual member fee, which is not something anyway. So I created this app. I will be releasing this to internet soon. It will be free, um, uh, at least with some limited functions. But I will give you a different review on this software, what we can do and what we can see on this software. So basically, this is my calendar view, like how much I earn per month, and I can switch between yearly, monthly, and daily. And this is the dashboard I see when I open the software. So it's pretty much showing you the overall progress throughout the I guess the overall timeline. And I can pretty much double click and open the graph and see if I want to increase the time frame. So let me move this one aside and I can show you exactly where I trade and what tickers I trade. So the first one that I did today was let's see, Expire, which is this stock. So let me go to 1 minute chart. I started trading this. Let me put auto. So I started trading this after just right after the starting bell. So I bought the stock at 9:32. So right here. So right here between this one, this candle and this candle, I bought it. I bought it for 1082. So this is 1120 still. So I think I bought it right here. So let's go to 15 seconds chart, which will be way more clear. Right here. So 932, 932.6 would be here, exactly at the deep. So I bought it exactly at the deep at 1082. This is like 250 shares, and I sold it at uh, let's see, I sold it at 10.92, so 10 cents per share. So I made like 25 bucks. So this is kind of like the cushion for my day, like $25. It's not too big, not too bad, the gain is gain. Um, then I took another one, not on Expio. I took another one on Expio later. So let's go through that one also. So later around 9:51, uh, somewhere here, I took another short with 100 shares this time, because I wasn't really sure, because this one was kind of like fluctuating a lot. So I wasn't really sure about this stock. So I took 100 share positions at 11:05, which is right on this candle. So this went all the way down to 1082, but I bought it at 11:05. Then I think I got panicked and sold at 11:12, which is right here. It went all the way back to the 11:31. Could have kept it, but with this big big red candle, I was kind of scared and sold it at 11:12. It's not a big win. Made about like $7. Totally $32 on the Expio. And then I traded NXL. This one, I made multiple trades. I started with like small trade, like pre-market, around 9:20. It's very closer to the opening bell, somewhere here in this region. So this is 15 seconds chart. So I traded 9:20 at 9:20. Sorry, my bad. So somewhere here. So 9:20 is somewhere here. So 9:20 and 23 seconds. So in here, between here and here. So I bought it for 181 right here. So I bought the high and then sold at 182. I was just checking how the stock was doing. So this is like 50 shares. Didn't buy a lot, it's a very cheaper one. So I was just checking how the things looks like. And then I did another quick one, another 50 shares, 178, like few seconds later, I think somewhere here, 178, and sold it for 182. So didn't make a lot, but just wanted to feel like how this stock is moving. Then right after the bell, I took right here, when I see the initial dip, I bought 2000 shares for 181, but it went way more below than I wanted. It went all the way down to 169, so I sold it for 182, having like 1 cent profit for 2500, not 2500, this is 2000 shares. Yeah, initially it was 2000 shares. So made about like $20. Then after 4 minutes later, 9:34, I bought another 2500 shares for 168. So this is somewhere here, exactly at the bottom. 164, sorry, 168, and sold it. I think I got panicked and sold it at 169.5. So made about $30 on that trade. And then I bought another 250 shares at 949 949 somewhere here. Yeah, on this candle, 250 shares for 178, and then sold it at for 182. Then I bought another one, 500 shares at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, I bought exactly on this dip. I bought 500 at 170 and sold immediately at 170 because I wasn't feeling well about that one. Then I again bought 2500 shares at 161. It went all the way down to 160. I bought it at 161 and sold it at 165. So that's where I make most of the money on this NXL ticker. And then I traded the Bini. This was like only couple of trades. I bought 1000 shares, 1000 shares around 954. 1000 shares at 954. Right when it's pop up, I bought it 954 somewhere here. I bought 1000 shares at 156 and sold it for 159. So I made about $30, and then I press the buy button to buy 2500 shares for 141. It only felt like weird number. It didn't feel all the shares that I wanted. It felt like almost 1400 shares. And then I sold it for like 151. That was a very big win. I think I sold it somewhere here. Yeah, 151. So that's the recap for today. So let me bring this back again. So today, this is how I make money. And you can see it's kind of like continuously progressing through the day. Didn't have any losses today. There's a bug in the software, that's why it's showing negative in here, but I will fix that later. But today I didn't lose anything, and if I go to stat, you can see each of these categories, like what's the cost and what's the volume, and the profit and lost by the price category and all the things. So yeah, made 351.44 cents today. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow as well. I'm going very slow, as you can see. These numbers are very low, but I want to have like a complete green month, so that's the target. Well, let's see if I can do it. And yeah, as always, trading is riskier. These are just for educational purposes only. Manage your risk, and be happy and be wealthy. See you tomorrow with the new video. Thanks.